This is question number 12. Study the information in table 3 and answer the questions that follows. The elements belong to the same chemical family. The letters are not actual symbols of the metals, of the elements rather. So first of all, we say same chemical formula family means they are in the same group. That is, they have the same number of electrons in the outermost energy level. So we have a table here. We are given elements KLKMN, atomic radius. We are given 0.157, 0.203, 0.123, 0.235. Then we have ionic radius 0.95, 0.133, 0.060, 0.169. Ionization energy, kilojoules per mole. We have 494, 418, 419, 476. The ionization energy is the energy required to remove an electron of an atom in gaseous state. So that is the ionization energy. Now we look at the questions. I've divided the questions into different pages so that because of space. So we start with A. Classify the element as metals or non-metals. So we say for metals, that is metals, the ion that is for metals, atomic radius is greater than ionic radius. So atomic radius is greater than ionic radius. For non-metals, atomic radius is less than ionic radius. And therefore, if you check here, the atomic radius is greater than ionic radius. So this is a metal. Here the atomic radius is greater than ionic radius. So K is also a metal. For M, atomic radius is greater than ionic radius. So it is also a metal. N, atomic radius is greater than ionic radius. So it means they are all metals. They are all metals. They are all metals because the atomic radius, their atomic radius is greater, or we can say better English, are greater than ionic radius. So that is why we say that they are all metals. We look at the other section. So we have part B. The same diagram remains and the description. Identify the element which is least active. So we say least active. The higher the ionization energy, the less active an element is. So if you look at the ionization energy, M has the highest ionization energy, highest ionization energy. Most active, since I've said that the higher the ionization energy, the less active. So the lowest the element that has the lowest ionization energy is the most active. And you look here, 490, 418, 519, N has the least ionization, or we can say lowest ionization energy. So that is the answer to that. So that is how you answer part B of the question. We look at Roman number 2 of B. We have give reason for answer in B Roman 1. So we were in B. If we may go back to there, we have given that the least reactive is M, the most reactive is N, and I think I've already mentioned that. So we look at M, our M. If you look at M, it has the smallest, it is the smallest, because you can see atomic radius is 0.123. It is the smallest among these. So we can say M is the smallest. And if you look at N, N has the greatest atomic radius. So M is the smallest. The smaller the size, the stronger the force. The smaller the size, the stronger the forces. To remove an electron. And I have said ionization energy is the energy required to remove the electron of an atom in gaseous state. So if you look at M, it has the highest, it is the smallest, and the highest has, it is the smallest and has the highest ionization energy, meaning that it takes a lot of energy to remove an electron from this. So the N is the biggest in size, as you can see the atomic radius, and it requires the least ionization energy to remove an electron. So that is, so we can say M is the smallest, N is the greatest. So that's how you answer that question, and you should be able to get a whole mark for this question if you answer it like that.